Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Geek House Racing, and to Sloppy Second Project. If you saw the last video, you saw we had a whole bunch of new parts. Take that back. We have a whole bunch of second-hand parts going on Sloppy Second, all premium gear. But before we get there, that was Sunday, today's Monday. I'll spend an hour today, start stripping the car down. I have an hour during lunch, so we'll see how far I get. Bye. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, hold on. Why? Okay, kind of in a hurry. I'm gonna tell you something. We're gonna start this at a whole different approach on this car. You've watched the other channels where the guys are replacing metal and fixing the rust and everything else. But we're building an autocross car. So if you're a purist at heart, you may want to just cover your eyes, because we are gonna cut stuff up, throw stuff away, cut holes in things. We're gonna build a hell of an autocross car. And I have a lot of work to do to catch up. I mean, Kevin already has a fake motor in his car, and I was up there putting the suspension in. His buddy Ron Ryan has his suspension and most of his bodywork done. A buddy of mine overseas, Martin Van Werley, I think his frame is all done and put back into his car, and a whole bunch of bodywork. And the most I've done so far is I put it on a trailer and drug it here from the house, from my backyard, and dumped it off here on Sunday. Today's Monday. Let's see what I can do. Hardware, they're pulling off all those. We'll put it all in one single bag, and then we'll put all that in a rust dissolver and clean everything up. There'll be zero rust on those bolts, and if I use them again, I use them again. If I don't, they just go in my bolt collections. Cool. Here we go. Well, it's fun because these cars kind of speak to you. I got the fans going in the background. Let me turn those off real fast and talk to you. Oh, all right, all the fans are off. So it's just some minor sleuthing, since I really don't know anything about this car at all, other than the fact that it's an RS. You know, Fender says Rally Sport on it. But I can tell you that it did have a posi unit in the back, which is cool. It had a little metal posi tag on it, and then you come up to the front, and down here, that's your Z-bar mount for your clutch, and your clutch rod came out through the top up there. So I know it was a 4-speed manual car, which is cool. On the floor with a posi rear end in a 75, I believe it is, RS. Doesn't matter. We're gonna cut it up, but it was just cool to know. Well, working on Sloppy a little bit, and some of the stuff that I'm doing off hours is not really working. I mean, I'm not working on it. I'm just cleaning stuff up, and let me show you something. I use this stuff called the world's safest rust remover. It's actually made in New York City or something like that. I threw the bottle away. I put it in a little bucket. Like, there it is. And I just dip stuff in it, let it clean. And here's one of them. This is perfect. So I only can get half of it in the bucket. And you can see, that's how rusted it was before, front and back. And I just put it in the bucket overnight, pull it back out, and it looks like that. So now I'm gonna put it in this side and let it do its job. So it's doing the restoration work. It's doing all the restoration work for me on little things like that, which is cool. You know, I don't have to buy a new license plate holder. I don't have to wire brush the old raggedy one. I literally put it in the bucket, let it sit, take it out the next day, lightly rub it with water and a brush, and it looks fantastic. I'm gonna get some more of that stuff. There's some other little tricks on here I'm gonna try and see if it works, and we'll show you. I don't know. But anyways, world's safest rust remover. They've got the craziest little homemade website. Like I said, they're out of New York City. It was made for cleaning graffiti or something like that in the subway systems, and they realized it just does so much more. All right, I'm not paid by them. This was just, I had to tell you guys. Bye. Thanks for taking a few minutes and watching. I've got a long ways to go to catch up to everybody else, but we spent a few minutes today at lunchtime and tore the front end of the car off, as you watched in the video, and bagged a couple pieces, and then I'll move into the inside and start cleaning it up, and I'll do the trunk and all that other stuff too. And then we'll just get crazy. We'll start putting stuff on as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching, please. I'm gonna try and do a video every single day till I start catching up to the rest of these guys, or at least till I get a lot of parts put on the car and we get started to move to the fun, more creative stuff. Cool, bye.